widescreen words. That's just getting old. Yep. I'm old as hell. So we gotta finish Infernax real quick. Maybe I could be a little bit less egocentric. I rooted Alright, so today guys, Infernax is getting along really quick, really nicely. This morning I've been working on the last boss, on the death of the last boss, when you defeat the last boss. Right now my job is just to go over the entire game and polish everything I see. And last week I decided, you know what, I'm just gonna plug it on my TV and just play like it was like an actual game, not something I have to, you know, check out for bugs and shit like that. And oh boy, that was a very cool experience. I really liked it. Yeah, so there was a lot of places that needed polish. There's a lot of quests that if you do, there's no hype to start the quest, and there's no, oh my god, yes, and there's no reward at the end of the quest. So that's very interesting, because right now everything is in place. You can complete the game from A to Z, finish all the quests, get rewards and all that. That's all in there. However, it requires more polish, because when you receive the reward, it doesn't feel right. And it's really weird, because so you need, as a game dev, we need to make sure that the message of like, this is what's happening right now, and reward celebration has to be clear. By the way, guys, if you don't want to see any spoilers, don't watch. So I just want to start a quest, so you guys can check out what I'm talking about when I said that the quest system is pretty bad. Alright, let's accept the quest. If you kill it, I'll teach you powerful attack! Yes! Oh, thank you, my lord, you come back. Yeah, okay, so you'll see what I'm talking about. The little text that goes up, it feels cheap. Quest acquired. It's okay. It's not bad, you know. It passed the threshold. But considering there's a lot of quests out there that you can complete and all that, I feel it will be better. So my plan to what I want to do today is replace the entire bar over here by a black bar that just grows with the icon of the quest over here, right over there. And then say new quest acquire, name of the quest, or maybe description of the quest. There we go. Okay, that thing over there, if I remember correctly, there's something called, hey, whoa. There's something called the Castle Clear. Castle Clear, where is it? Castle Clear pop-up panel. There we go, UI Castle Clear. Let's check that out. Oh wow. And over here. There's nothing, or... Oh, okay. For real. So I do a message, and then I write that up with the message. Ah, that's pretty cool. So we'll be able to make translation in there. Alright, so quest pop up like this. UI Castle Clear 00. Oh, okay, cool. So it goes like this. That's perfect. And then perfect. So I'm gonna just export that really quick just to check out if everything is working. Just whoa. I'm probably gonna need like a meta quest, I guess, but I actually have no idea how the quest system works. So I'm gonna have to talk with Shane later on. I'll be like, Shane, please. Shane is the one in the team that did the quest system, so I have no idea how it works. Not a timer effect. I'll simply wait. I prefer the wait effect, which is exactly the same, but instead of timer, it's based on frame. But in under the hood, it's still time based though. This is a castle pop-up something. I'm gonna replace this instead of castle clear pop-up. I'm gonna say it's a quest pop-up panel, and here I'm gonna write something very professional. You got very big pee-pee. Like this. So that's our professional message. All right, we're professional here. I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna put that there. Boop. You got very big pee-pee. All right, sweet. And I'll put that here. So that goes like this. Ah, nice. I like it already. J'ai perdu le bip, j'ai perdu le trip, et j'ai perdu le zip. Le quoi? Le quoi? Et le quoi? No, I forgot the 3 sound. It's in Spaceballs. was an old film. An old film. Back in black and white. Back when the internet was in black and white. So joysticks, the other font is what? Fine. Give me your name. Give me your name. What's your name? Ah, my God. Larkland. Is it loud? Oh my God. So yeah, the drill here, if you're new here, basically, I code, I say random shit, and I try to say to explain what I'm doing, and every single penny that you guys give to me will go to charity, because I don't want your filthy money. Hey, Lachhh, I won for next years ago in a raffle. I just downloaded it from Steam again, and the jump button is only Z, which on German is unplayable. Oh, you can switch it to K or L though. I also don't have a controller. Any plan to address that? That's a very, very good question, and yes, we have to fix that, because otherwise we'll miss like an entire country and countries plural that will hate us. So very good point, and yes, we will. We won't let you down, bro. Yay! We got a new UI. Look at that, huh? And I feel that I'm gonna need an animation here as well. So first this, second. Okay, I'm gonna try new quest. Okay, so new quest, and I'll put that here. And this has to be into quest title like this. I'll put it into a movie clip so I can animate it a bit. So I'm gonna go like this, distribute to layer, so now I can animate those little dude over here. So what I'm gonna do is at the end I want it to be like this, but at the beginning I want them to be all black. Please, all black, like this. Alright, so first thing first is the icon. You know, I'm just gonna do this really quickly. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Bloop. Alright, so here it will be 75. Here will be 50. And here will be 25. So, like this, you know? What if I just go like this and I go new quest. I go white first, complete white first, and then, or maybe like flashing it a bit. Alright. That was way too fast. Timing is everything. Too much stuff is happening on the screen at the same time. So that's better. So I'm gonna play this, and then I'm gonna play this. Alright, let's try this up. A big PP, it's a professional message. It stands for powerful power up. Power, there we go. Pretty pelican. Pretentious parameter. You guys are on fire. So I can just do panel, go to and stop 1. And I can also go like panel speed is equal to 0.5 like this. And here, instead of close, well, I'll still put close like at maybe a 150. And here I go like go to and play 1 like this. And I also need this should not be looping. Next is here title MC. You are a movie clip. Boom, boom, boom like this. And the last one is progress MC. So you're gonna be a movie clip over there. And finally here the text over there, title text. So that will be a text field, not a movie clip, but a text field. And this little dude over here is not inside a visual, it's inside the panel. Boom, boom, boom like this. And this one will be named text. Will be artist to be, or yeah, to be. Artist to be is cool, is rad AF. There we go. So we got artist to be and rubber sandwich, guys. This one is on you. Now, guys, I put you in the game. Don't break my game, alright? If it does not compile, if it crashes, it's on you. It's not because the coder messed up. That can't be right. No. Dude, I have like 15 years of experience. No, it's never gonna crash. Ah! Hey, what did I tell you? Boom! I knew I could count on you guys. Boom! Oh, thank you, Lord. Come back. Tissue that moved. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, I like it. I feel that Emily will probably be like, the position on this is unacceptable. When there's like one pixel, one single pixel, not the right place. Emily's like, Jack, the only pixel that M approves is in Final Boss. Okay, so quest pop up, boom, instead of quest 2, I'm gonna put this, boom, instead. Alright, so we got that, clear. What the frick is going on? Should I push the actual quest instead though? Because it's all quest based. And this here, it will be a meta quest. No, you know what? No. Actually, no. No, I stand my ground. I will push model quest instead. Because the meta needs to be weirdly get, and I may want to just show the animation, the visual, without any context. So if I want to tell the code, yo bro, show me new quest X, whatever, I want it to not rely on anything else in the game. So it will be easier if I pass the model, because the model is a constant, and a model or stuff that is already declared at the very beginning of the game and never changed. So it's way easier to access those information. So with that in mind, I think I'm gonna pass the model quest instead. And anyway, I can go retrieve the meta quest with the model quest, if that makes any sense to you guys. I want to say it's something I came up with. It's sure that something exists like this. You know, I probably just copy paste a standard that already exists. However, the way I named it with the meta and model, that's pretty much, aha, there we go. Here, a beautiful, beautiful example right over there. I don't have the meta, but I have the quest. Boom. Well, with Infernax, the thing is, when you have like a freaking huge tower, Jenga tower of stuff going on, that's all intertwined, if you change one thing, you may break the entire game. So at this point, instead of making like a new iteration or a new child of a class, I just create another class. Like at one point, a game is about breaking the routine of the player. So it's okay that you have some rules and some repetition in there to make the player comfortable and know what's happening. But then you have to break its expectation as well. So for example, all the enemies have to be hit in the face to die, right? But then you have a boss. The boss is like completely new. So this boss, you cannot make it a child of all the usual enemy, because it's going to be completely different than something else. You're breaking the expectation of the player. You're breaking the formula of your own game, introducing a boss, you know? So in the code, it has to reflect the same thing. If you put the boss in, under something super huge, you're going to shoot yourself in the foot, because it's going to be so specific that it cannot be generalized in any way. Updated quests. Now I want to check out an updated quest. That will be easy to trigger. Let's go in that basement and see that monster and fuck him up. Show quest complete. Show quest failed. There we go. Like here's a good example of me making ah my god! Holy shit! Alright, boom, let's go there. New quest, clear the basement. Alright. Yo, what's up, monster? Spoiler alert! Spoiler alert! And this is not a real visual. This monster is not finished. Boom! This needs more polish. There we go. New quest. Clear the basement. Okay. So instead of new quest, it has to say quest updated. So let's go into the title text here and go you bro. Text is equal to text factory is equal to updated. Sweet. Get text over there. Quest updated. Clear the basement. Okay, and now it's like this. Sweet. Are you slacking, Lachhh? What? Yes, I'm always slacking because all game dev, all of them, lazy as fuck, man. Dude, they're all lazy. Making video games. If we just like put some effort in it, like some slight effort in it, it will be done in a day. Like my wife has started to do some code, and she's not in code at all, not in video game at all. She's a editor, but linguist. So the reason why she learned code is because code is an actual language. You know, that's why we call it a code language, like a JavaScript, C#. Those are all language. So in her domain, in her context, she wants to learn how we as coder talk to the computer. So why did we chose those words? Why did we chose those syntax to communicate what we want to do to the computer? So it's the same job as same way of communicating to another human, but we're communicating to a computer. And we're also invented that language, like a human invented the language to speak better to computer, you know. But it also puts me back to when I just started, like 15 years ago, when I could not understand the concept of a variable. Something as simple as that was like, wait a minute, there's a container, you can put something in there. But not as, there's like words, but numbers, but what? So I want to show the text like as white and then complete, and then show the next step. And this I hate. So instead, private int. No, a good way to do this. I wanna change all of this into like 6 line of code. Look at that. Get frame. If force active, return 1, and then if highlighted, if failed, return 6, 5, 4, if completed, otherwise return 4, and here I'll do the same. Boom. 3, 2, 1, and I'll go with this. Boom. Boom. Look at that. It's way easier to read. Boom. I get all the frames over there instead of having this humongous amount of if-else statement, and then I can force it. I can say like, hey, if it's true here, return 1, don't get the rest. Ladies and gentlemen, 15 years of experience, and I still have like little mess up like this, like, oh, a function, okay, if like very complicated condition, return something, otherwise return the same thing. Will be the equivalent of like, okay, go to the grocery stores and buy me a beer. If there's no beer, buy me a beer. Okay, dynamic text event, I think I'm gonna have to do like a long one here. Quest complete, swing, yay! And then I get the reward, blah, 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 blah. Okay, next. So we got a complete, we got the gut, we got the updated. Now I wanted to have like a little effect that says like, that writes the thing instead of just show, my god, instead of just showing it. Okay, so what if, yeah, the problem is we should never do this. That thing over there. Having like the same text like this, that's bad, bro. It's bad. This should be into a text. It should be like this. Quest log, quest event text long. Let's see. Ah, let's go, come on. It's something so simple, bro. It's just like writing effect. I just want to put in a simple writing effect right over there. Don't tell me it's hard. Super easy. Barely an inconvenience. You know, I think I realized why I love you so much. You're the external embodiment of what it's like in my brain as someone with ADHD. But sorry, I just had a geekgasm. I just had a codegasm. Look at that. I spent like the last 30 minutes just trying to do this. Wow. And now people wonder why it takes so much time to make a game. I just changed the freaking effect to have like a old showing the text, and it took me like 3 hours. That's because you suck, Lachhh. Good one. Okay, so I did that, but it's not even what I wanted to do actually. Now it has to be like, okay, clear the base, man. Like this, and then I have to go like show progress, and then show next. And then this guy over here. So, here, show progress, that would be like this, and then show next. Would go, probably here. Text, yeah, like this. Get text, yeah, like that. And finally, start from the beginning. Boop, 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 boop. Oh, it's not text, it's message. Message. Let's try that out. Clear the base, man, bloop. Return to... Oh, that's beautiful. Oh. Clear the basement. Return to Daniel in Dorsetshire. Alright. Yo, Daniel. It's dead great. I don't know what I was about. Blah, 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 blah. Quest completed. Return Daniel. And then I get the reward. F, yeah. Drum. Alright. New quest. Clear the basement. Alright, sweet. And then I get there. It took a while though, and didn't took a while, but I mean I didn't have time to see the message. So you know what I need to do. And also the message was not written. Yeah, I'll try that. Small little thing. But if there's more text, you should make more weighting. You know, you should make more weight. That's a very subtle thing. But it's so annoying when you're playing and you're like, okay, and then it disappears, you know? Like, so the millions, that counts as the millions of things you need to think of in your game. New quest, sweet, I like it. What if during this I change scene? Ah, sweet, it does work, nice. Cool. What if, that won't work here, let's restart. What if during this I open my inventory? So what if I do this? I go there, set up, check out my map, check out my quest, go back. Yeah, the thing is done. Okay. Not a big deal, but I feel it should stop. However, it will be kind of complicated to do that because the game stops, but not the UI. Yeah, so if I do this, for example, it does not stop. Yeah, it's gonna be this for today. I think we did good. We did good. You know, it fascinated me that it took me 2.5 hours just to make a very simple interface. And I don't think that I could have been like with better tools or whatever. You know, I think you need to just try it up, switch the timing, check out if everything works, check out if everything works correctly together, how it feels and all that. That takes time. So an entire game, like I love to show that. I love to show that something very simple like this take a long time. So that at least gives out an idea of why game development takes so much time. Lachhh is gone. There we go. Anyway, I don't know if you're still there. Goodbye.